morning to everyone. This is the Power of Feeling with Utabi Ungowekethelo. It is a Monday morning. I hope everybody is well or doing well. Fine. Today I wanna touch on something, guys. I think kuspace say so guba a medium. Right? I wanna explain something as a medium. That sithola I think people don't believe it, and sometimes abantu abafuna ukukhuluma ngayo because you'll be seen as umuntu ongekho right ekhanda or umuntu mhlambe who watches, because I've seen somebody saying you watch too much movies. I saw a story this morning, right? I saw a story, but it wasn't a video, where umuntu bekabhalile ukuthi umngani wakhe weza wazomvakashela. They stayed or bahlala baxoxa until midnight at about 2 a.m. Later on, a few hours later, umama womngani uyamfonela ukuthi okay unjani, athi bengicabanga ukuthi uzothi kimi umntanami ufike safe kuwe kanjani, but umama angitshela ukuthi umngani wakho ushonile ngo-11 izolo. Athi so i-question yami bekuwukuthi kanjani, because lo muntu benginaye. Guys, it's not a fairy tale, it's not a far-fetched story. Into ekhona. I can attest to it 100%. A spirit does a transition. It takes longer than what we think, especially for a spirit that does not accept ukuthi angisekho kulo mhlaba wenyama, right? Uthola ukuthi omunye aqhubeke ne-journey because of karmatic ties. As a medium, guys, I've seen things, or I've gone to people engabazi ukuthi ngiyo-deliver message. I remember, I'm going just to tell you, narrate a short story that, or my experience. A few years ago, I was sent to a Boysons. I think ngahlala eBoysons for about the whole day. At about past 5 to, I think it was past 5 to 6. Ngizihambela nje ngiyogibela itaxi, yabona sengiyabuya ekhaya. And then I meet this guy. Angazi nokuthi siqoqe kanjani kwayenzakalani, but siqoqe, then masixoxa kanjalo angimazi, abize i-colleague yakhe. As soon as abize i-colleague yakhe sihambisana, a spirit channeled. Ngithi ku-colleague yakhe, do you believe in spirits? Do you believe ukuthi kunabantu ama-mediums? Athi ya ngiyezwa ngabo. Ngithi okay, kunento so your colleague ushone Monday. Athi yes. Ngithi beka umngani wakho. Athi yes. Ngithi mina, ngithi kuye ufuna ukukubonga for this and this and that, as spirit was talking, or being instructor, because umsize kakhulu even throughout ukugula kwakhe, so ufuna ukukubonga. Athi no man, athi yazi sisi, fani lo muntu ushonele eZimbabwe, akashonelanga la, uthe mayegula samhambisa ekhaya. I've heard of stories where bakhuluma ngama-mediums and people like you bengazi ukuthi ngizoyi-experience ngempela one day. So I want to say with that story, guys, it's possible. I think about a lot of times I've been channeled by a spirit ngihambe somewhere, not even planned, and then to deliver a message, right? Sometimes uthola ukuthi a spirit is not settled because of, I remember there was another girl that I had to meet esibhedlela, where umalumakhe, she wasn't sick, but ngahlala nje kanti ngizoqondana nabo, and kukuthi nakhona futhi I even skipped my appointment just to meet that family, or just to meet that girl. Umalumakhe beka umfundisi but wakudutshulwa, and umalume wasn't happy ngendlela ahambe ngayo, especially kule nkololo kubufundisi bakhe. So the spirit wasn't settled about that. I had to give her that message, ngimtshele wayekwenzakaleni and all of that. So you cannot dismiss into ongayazi. You cannot dismiss ukuthi abantu amaphupho or abantu bazenzela itori. That's why people don't share, guys, but it happens. If it's happened to you ukuthi umuntu umbone mase kufika mhlambi umlayezo ukuthi ushonile, mawuthi ubheka isikhathi wena umbone ngaso, it's after lesikhathi abathi ushone ngaso. It's possible. Kukhona ama-spirits uthole ukuthi lo muntu uyabonwa njalo ejardini, uyabonwa esebenza or whatever that ayenzayo, uyabonwa esebenza. There are karmatic ties holding his spirits ukuthi faneke zigqitshwe or faneke mhlambe kube ne-closure. It's possible. Omunye with mhlambe ama-suspicions ekhaya yokuthi lo muntu lona man ukugula kwakhe kuyaqaka nani. But then the truth is not known. Omunye usuka afuna ukuveza iqiniso. But it is possible. Benyeke kube sikhulume ngeyipoko, guys, nezinto ezenzakalayo ebusuku kanti it's not possible. So dismiss izinto eziningi too much. That is why senza nezinto ezi-wrong thinking ukuthi it won't come back to us. That is why nama-situations wesibulala abantu thinking ukuthi anyeke kuze kutholakale nyeke kwenzeke. It is possible. I always say to people, spirits do reach out. It's how you understand them and how you can read the signs and how, because guys, you actually have met. I think let me say this. Akekho umuntu ongakaze meet spirits but then you didn't know it was a spirit. Akekho umuntu ongathi angikaze ngimeet spirit but you didn't know it was a spirit. Some parts of your body might have given you the signs ukuthi it is, but because you don't know the signs, or uzitshela ukuthi itori lezi izinto esizibone TV, you didn't understand. But I can assure you it does happen. Ungayidismiss into until because awuyazi wena. And sometimes uthola ukuthi the reason why the spirit ijeni yakhe icontinue ize mhlambe wena umbone, uyi-safe space. Uyi-safe space in terms of spirituality, uyi-safe space yakhe. You're not a judgmental person, you're not a person who's curious. So those last moments, or omunye the last moments bekafuna ukuzispenda nawe. So it's not a far-fetched story that I've experienced it a lot as a medium. It's not a far-fetched story. Omunye uthola ukuthi you were not even planning to go lapho ezohambela khona or eshonele khona, but for some reason you find yourself even uzugcine sowuyibona leyo scene yokushona kwakhe. Akudonse in such a way that like uzigcine sowulapho ungazi ukuthi okay mara mina bengizofunani lana sengibona into enje. It's possible. So angimjudge umuntu abantu guys abasafuna ukushare because nikhuluma too much. And sometimes izinto umuntu imxakile impela into iyinkinga. Ngiyambona lo muntu abantu abamboni, ngiyambona. And now who do I tell, because abantu abangibelieve, or abantu bazobona ngathi ngi-mentally disturbed, or it's because usually that's the excuse people will give you ukuthi umbona because it's grief, umbona because awukahili. No, it's not that. Sometimes it happens maybe asithi after the funeral and then bakutshele nge-grief, or maybe before the funeral uthi hayi bana awuka-accept ushonile lo. Guys, it is so possible. It's possible. Asingayidismissi, singayazi. Thank you so much.